When we set about building Here East, I think what was really intriguing to us was the ability to do something quite different. So there's areas of design and construction and fabrication which we've introduced into the building, which you would not normally do.
Here East as a complex is geared towards new technology and new ways of making things. And our initial kind of concepts for the Gantry were based on this idea of a cabinet of curiosities. We wanted to create a variety of unique looking units. We also wanted to construct them in a new emergent way, use a new construction process.
We've had to invent new digital tools for how to create this variety very simply, making it easy to build, making it lightweight, making it highly insulated. And this is where WikiHouse comes into the story.
This is absolutely the biggest project that's been done so far using the WikiHouse technology. Our mission is to use the web to distribute tools to build sustainable homes to citizens, to communities, to small businesses and small developers.
And that's where I think the Gantry project and our code actually could set a really good precedent for kind of wider developments. As a kind of layman, you can go in, you can instantly see, okay, my building has to be this big. I literally tick those boxes, this design fits that, I'm going to put a WikiHouse on it.
10 years ago, you'd never have done this because you wouldn't have had this sort of open source technology. And I think it's the kind of thing that's going to take off. The drawn information can be picked up anywhere in the world.
They're very much kind of constructible by your average person. And I think that's the big difference here. Actually, a lot of the intelligence in this system, you just don't even notice when the building's put up.
The kind of prefabrication, it brings about lots of safety and sustainability benefits, but if you can customise it, it stops everything from looking the same.
We were estimating at 1 week for a singular unit. Because of the efficiencies and obviously the know-how of the construction industry and of Paragon, to build the chassis, they're going up in 3 days, surpassing even what we thought.
For developers and construction companies to have the ability to experiment and collaborate with other companies who are also pushing the boundaries, because if we all did that, then actually we'd accelerate this ability to do rapid prototyping and build. For us, the Gantry is a thriving environment for artists and makers, technologists, innovators and collaborators who will basically find a new home which will inspire them to innovate to the future.